Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself is Ravindra. I am studying in SVC Bangalore. So today topic is mesh and loop analysis. So this is the main topic which is mainly required in network analysis. The subject is network analysis. Semester 3rd sem USN 1V23 EC 090. Name Ravindra, as you know. So this is circuit of whatever the loop and whatever that required topic. So these are the video assignment of it. So this is very important. So resistance R1 R2 is present and voltage R3 also is present, so current is present. So what is mesh and loop analysis? Mesh and loop analysis are two techniques used in electrical circuit analysis to determine the current and voltage in a network of resistors. So voltage source and current source, these are the main parts which is required to the mesh and loop analysis. What is mesh analysis? Is a method used to find the current in each loop of planar circuit where a loop is any closed path. Identify. How to identify? A mesh is a loop in the circuit that doesn't contain any other. Identify the number of meshes. So, assign Kirchhoff's rule says that for each mesh applied KVL across the loop. So you have to study in KVL. Assign Kirchhoff rules you have studied in earlier classes. That is main important rule which I have to study. So which states that the sum of the voltage drops around any closed loop must equal 0. So write mesh equation. Mesh equation is easy. For each mesh, write the KVL equation using Ohm's law. Ohm's law is main important which we have studied in earlier classes. So V is equal to IR for the resistance and voltage sources. This will give a set of stimulation equation. So let more details about and deeply go about the mesh. So what is mesh? Is defined as a loop. So let us deeply know about mesh. Mesh analysis. Mesh is the defined as a loop with no other loop within the circuit. In this case, mesh currents are used as variable instead of current to determine the overall circuit analysis. As a result, the techniques require a small number of equations to solve. Mesh analysis is used in circuits to determine the unknown current values using the Kirchhoff voltage law. So, mesh analysis is based on the current loop in a circuit. So, this the mesh analysis is very important for the whatever the happening in the Kirchhoff rules laws is applied to all the main things to easily solve out the technical problems whatever presents in the circuits. So circuit get this shows this is the applications of the Kirchhoff rules, so how it applied and how it gave a response to the mesh analysis. So using else with loops, how to Python tips using else with loops. So this is the main important things that we have to study in this mesh loops. So the process of analysis circuit can sometimes be a difficult task to do. Examination a circuit with the nodes or loops methods can reduce the amount of time required to get important informations on a circuit. These This analysis applied Kirchhoff laws in a step-by-step approach to solve for unknown voltage and current. Once these values are obtained, further information such as electrical power can be analyzed. The node equations are obtained by completing two things. First one is express the current through an element in element in terms to the node voltage. Second one is with the expansion of response nodes applied KVL to each node in the circuit. Figure 4 below shows an example of DC circuits with current. So this circuit with currents to each other nodes. So voltage sources. It contains three nodes A, B, and C, as well as the reference nodes are the grounded connected. So note that the directions of the probe arrow is dependent on the directions you moved to connect the nodes. For example, here the top node was connected to the bottom node instead of the bottom connecting to the top. So the arrow point downwards, it is an azimuth made by the program. So this is a circuit which I have seen in nodal. So nodal analysis is used for solving an electrical network. So nodal analysis is very important things to circuit for circulation, circuit for passing of resistance. What is the current is passing 10 amplifier. So these are the connections that is made by with the help of the KVL. So this method is also known as the node voltage method. Since the node voltage are with respect to the ground, the following are the three laws that define the equations related to the voltage that is measured between the each circuit nodes. So these are the things which are required. The what are the network is connected, what are the network that has been required. So this is main topic. This is the connections of where to where the connection the persons has connected with the circuits. These types of circuit is connected based on the mesh and loop analysis. So you have to study about more details. More depthly means the electrical network analysis is required. The analysis of electric power systems could be conducted using the network theory from two main points of view. So first one is an abstraction perspective is a for example has a graph consists from nodes and edges regarding of the electrical power accepts. So example transmission line impedance. So most of these studies focus only on the abstraction structure of the power grid using degree distributions and betweenness distributions, which introduce the substance instant regards the virtuality assistance of the grid. So through these types of studies, the category of the grid structure could be identified from the complex network perspective. So example single scale, scale free. So the classification might help the electric power system engineers in the planning stage. So or while upgrading the infrastructure. Example adding a new transmission line so to maintain proper reductions levels in the transmission systems. So weighted graphs that blend an abstraction understanding of complex network theory and electrical power systems properties. This is the part 2 examples of this electrical network analysis. So thank you for watching my video. Support me as much as possible. So thank you one and all. Thank you.